In this video, I will be demonstrating the pyramid rivet die, which I have here. And then the rivets itself consist of the post and the cap, which in this case is in the shape of the pyramid. Going to slide my base through the bottom hole, and then the top part screws in. I'll be working on these ballet flats, which I've already made the holes using my 3mm hole punch die. I'm going to take a post, place it through one of the holes, you can see the back. Then taking my cap, it'll snap on, be very loose, but it'll stay on. Then I want to take my pyramid, line it up into the base. It'll sit nicely because the base of this die is in the shape of the pyramid. Press down. And that secures the rivet. It's very important when working with pyramids. You can see the back there. Nice and smooth and secure. Now it's very important when working with pyramids to align the points correctly. With this die, you can find perfect placement every time. I've already finished one ballet flat. It's a very popular shape. And you can see some other examples of what I've done with using the pyramids. I'll be listing many new dies, have many different shapes. You can find this die and the machine and all the interchangeable dies I have available right now at Minkus Margo on eBay or Etsy. Thank you for watching.